Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to review the Diono 3QXT and show you how to install it. But before we do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the latest gear review. Now let's get started! The Diono Radian 3QXT is a convertible car seat that takes your child from infant to booster seat. It adapts as your child grows for 10 years. One of its most notable features is its slim design, which allows you to fit 3 across the back of your car. Even though it is slimmer than most convertible car seats, it doesn't compromise on safety. This car seat has a 4-stage newborn insert protection system. It also features 8 layers of side impact protection as well as side impact management pods. The Radian 3QXT is made with a steel core frame and also has Comfort Plus memory foam cushions. For added safety, it also comes with an anti-rebound bar. The car seat's cover can be removed and washed to make for an easy clean. It additionally features a 12-position headrest height adjustment, which is a 22% increase from the previous model, and has an easy-to-use recline foot. Now let's go over weight capacity. In this convertible car seat, your child can sit in rear-facing mode from 4 to 50 pounds, forward-facing mode up to 65 pounds, and booster mode up to 120 pounds. We will now show you how to install the Radian 3QXT, starting first with rear-facing. Rear-facing mode with seatbelt. To begin, attach the rear-facing base to the bottom of the seat. Press and release the buttons to lock it into place. To install the anti-rebound bar, insert it in the holes on the front of the seat and check if it is locked. Attach the side impact pod to the side of the seat that will be closest to the vehicle door. Then you are ready to place the car seat on the vehicle seat. Pull out the seat belt and feed it through the rear-facing belt path. Buckle it in. Lock the seat belt by pulling the shoulder belt out until it stops. Then push down on the seat with one hand and with the other hand, pull the shoulder belt to tighten. Check for stability. The car seat should not move more than an inch from the seat. Rear-facing mode with super latch connectors. To begin, attach the rear-facing base, anti-rebound bar, and side impact pod as shown before. Then, remove the connectors from the storage on the back of the seat and place the car seat on the vehicle seat. Feed the super latch connector and the adjuster through the rear-facing belt path. Attach the super latch connectors to the vehicle's lower anchors. Push down on the seat with one hand and with the other hand, pull the adjuster strap to tighten. Check for stability. Forward-facing mode with seatbelt. Start off by lowering the adjustable bottom of the car seat by squeezing both metal bars and pulling it down. For children above 40 pounds, the next step is to install the safe stop. To do so, first remove the harness straps from the metal plate on the adjuster strap. Then insert the metal plate on the adjustment strap in the bottom loop on the safe stop. Attach the harness strap to the safe stop starting with the left side and then the right. Then attach the Safe Plus side impact pod as shown before. Remove the top tether from the storage on the back of the seat and feed it through the vehicle seat's headrest. Attach the connector to the anchor, but do not tighten. Then, feed the seat belt through the forward-facing belt path. Pull the seat belt through the other side and buckle it in. Lock the seat belt by pulling the shoulder belt out until it stops. Then push down on the seat with one hand and with the other hand, pull the shoulder belt to tighten. Check for stability. Finally, tighten the tether by pulling on the adjuster strap to remove all slack. Forward-facing mode with latch connectors. Start off by lowering the adjustable bottom of the car seat. Install the safe stop. Then, attach the Safe Plus side impact pod as shown before. Remove the connectors from the storage on the back of the seat. Remove the top tether and then you will place the car seat on the vehicle seat. Feed the tether through the vehicle seat's headrest. Attach the connector to the anchors but do not tighten. Then feed the super latch connectors through the forward-facing belt path and attach them to the vehicle's lower anchors. push down on the seat with one hand and with the other hand, pull the adjuster strap to tighten. Check for stability. Finally, tighten the tether by pulling on the adjuster strap to remove all slack. That wraps up our review of the Diono Radian 3QXT convertible car seat. We love this car seat for its long-lasting weight capacity and ability to be able to fit 3 across the back row of your car. It also has some amazing safety features. To check out another convertible car seat review, watch this video. You can shop this car seat at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $25 or more. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below with any questions you have about the products we sell. We'll see you next time.